Yes, so my country people, I throw away salute. West Ham United 3 and Chelsea 1, and we get my Oga Ose. Make on tell us about how in see this game. Oga Ose, now how you see your team performance, because today, be like say una collect more. How you see your performance?
Very good performance. The team played well. I'll just tell you, say last season, we never played like this last season. And just like, just a normal off day, when you just perform, nothing will still happen. I will say happen. So for me, they still play well. Just the unlucky, so we not fit score. So it just be. And also, which make the game hard, the inexperience they show for the game. They show the players for the. That second goal, where the assassin mistakenly play miss. Kowi, expensive defender, like that, better any that guy, but just for that guy, play your yellow card. So the inexperience show. And who the order of play? Some kind counters, they will feel say move goal. But because slow the ball down, those are just the lack of experience where the team gets. That be our problem. But I also have no matter of day. I don't feel say this performance will play very bad. Mind you, West Ham not be small team. Almost every season, if they not beat us this season, but the next season, West Ham always dey beat Chelsea before. Even when they win league, they beat us. Na London derby. And our second game of the season, everybody play as fresh. See how West Ham play like na final they play. Because they take pride when they play this kind of game against team like Chelsea. So I just no matter of day for us. Not spoil anything.
So make I ask you about one of our new signing now. Caicedo, Moses Caicedo. Big money signing. We know say we hear the things when consigning signing before he joined Chelsea. He entered the game today, conquered that penalty. To you think say that one go affect in confidence going into Chelsea next game against Luton Town and the game ready for front as a new player for Chelsea?
70-something minutes they put Caicedo. That's why I say now, once people go understand, that kind of defensive midfielder, you dey lose already, you got put time. You understand? So it must happen. As we don't see still, because I've been second of 50 score, that one are like 50 ball, Chelsea left to reach the ball. Because me, I be defender, I play ball. So now that guy left best chance. So it's simple. Now 50 ball be that one. A good coach knows down 50 ball. But the problem I get is say, as we be 2-1 down, Caicedo is not the right man to put. Because Gallagher was not even playing bad. What would you honest? Gallagher was not playing bad. So I don't know like problem again with Pochettino. Then apart from that, I just inexperience and normal of the Caicedo not play bad to me. When Luton will collect normal, you see how the game.
So Oga will say you talk about Pochettino now. We know that just 2 games into the season. As a Chelsea fan, so far the team when you don't see for Pochettino, wait till you get to talk about them.
Very, very good football they play now. I say when last we enjoy Chelsea ball. That's why I say we lose. You see ball they enjoy. See how they play the ball, free flowing ball. As maybe our normal player like James now, scan ball without Malogusto go bring her set piece, so they agree bring her. Imagine that James did that place. Scan ball dey shocking ball, it never happen. But I want you to know, it's like just new team. Like player never play before, they carry their hands together. So you know, use second game, take just new team. They need to adapt. When they play like 2-3 months, sometimes even use one season to adapt. Don't say which Chelsea will be patient team normally before. But when on a new team, and you see say yes, you don't get prospects, not be like Potter. Potter get almost full season and fuck up. But now you see say yes, the boys the ball. But with time now they go adapt. They know how to carry ball, go how to play, know how to make the runs. Before you know, go they come. Our season be this point. What they deny.
Okay, so Chelsea next game against Luton Town. What do you predict for that game?
Let's beat them 4-0, 3-0. 4-3-0. Yes, of course. So they can't start off bridge now. They cannot win. This one, I tell you, this thing I just off day. The goal where they score for first half, 6 minutes, header, they just not ball and go, say they score. They not play anything again, no, to first half finish. Second goal again, disaster, one play ball go inside, play them less, they score. They not play ball again, no. When get to the end, well, out of Chelsea pressure, call it the counter. The penalty occur. So West Ham themselves was a 2 play ball. But we got on the start of David Moyes. One, you got on the start West Ham players itself are very physical. And they sabi defend. They play defensive football, we right for the first half till now. So I just kind of tactical game we have to say, Mourinho dey use that time. Just give me one goal, make him end. That is some complete. Shall they defend that's not final play. So just a normal of day. I don't say I'm any big team. People they just go buy attacker, buy this one. Who you want buy again? The team get everybody. I'm for them to adapt. If they're not good, they will not come Chelsea. For them to adapt. So I don't to buy anybody. Make them play small teams like 3 or 4 now. That's we get like Luton, small club. When players go like 3 times, 4 times now, they will understand themselves very well. Yes, now this is just second game. You cannot use what is just this season. That's what I say to do.
All right, now, Oga will say thank you for your time.